10 lines on Utkal Diwas. 1. Utkal Diwas is celebrated on April 1 every year. 2. It marks the formation of the state of Odisha in India. 3. Odisha was established as a separate province in 1936. 4. Utkal Diwas is a day of cultural pride and heritage celebration. 5. It's a day of pride and celebration for the people of Odisha. 6. Various cultural events and programs are organized on this day. 7. Utkal Diwas promotes unity and solidarity among Odia people. 8. It's a time to showcase Odisha's traditions, dance, music, and art. 9. The day also reflects on the contributions of Odisha to Indian history and culture. 10. Overall, Utkal Diwas is a significant occasion for the people of Odisha to celebrate their identity and heritage.